It's me, Fish, again. And got the horror pack in for the Blu-rays. There's already been a few unboxings of this. Which means that most of you have probably already seen some of the unboxings. So mine's not going to be anything special. But remember, like I said, you've probably already seen a bunch of the other ones. But if you don't know Horror Pack, which you should by now, it's a monthly subscription mystery horror box. You could either get 4 DVDs a month for $19.99 plus free shipping to U.S. addresses, or 4 Blu-rays, $24.99 free shipping to U.S. addresses a month. Yeah, but if you are not subscribed yet, you could use my referral link that I'm going to put down below in the description, and you could get $3 off your first pack, and it'll help me as well. So let's see, the first one from the middle is, what is this? It's backwards. Oh, okay. It's the limited edition horror pack exclusive for Knuckle Bones, which, like, tons of people were guessing this is what it was going to be on the Facebook and other social media pages or sites or whatever. This looks pretty awesome, though. I've never seen it. Never really heard of it until people started talking about it possibly being here in this month's horror pack. And November 2016. That's the horror pack, but it's going to be in the title, so you'll know. And there's the number 4. Say this is the 4th limited edition. Yep. Never before seen making the effects feature on Gotcha SFX and Effects Master Robert Short from Halloween. Assuming Halloween, the Rob Zombie version. Deleted scenes, Fear House video introduction. Limited edition, but not signed, which is cool, because, you know, the first few editions weren't signed anyway. This is cool. We got that. And the horror pack said that they're going to do another limited edition Blu-ray for December's pack, so who knows what that's going to be. And who knows what this one is. Aha, it's Creepshow 2, which is what I guessed on that one clue about the 2 legends coming together once again. So, yeah, George Romero and Stephen King. And just like everyone else, the raft is my favorite segment from this one. This one, however, I'm going to end up giving it away because I've already pre-ordered the Arrow Special Limited Edition Blu-ray that's coming out next month. So I don't really need this copy and the other one, but I'll do something with this, either give it away or here on YouTube, or see if one of my friends here in town will want it. So we'll see what I do with that, because it's probably like that Texas Chainsaw Massacre Part 2 one that I tried to give away. Nobody entered for it. Nobody wanted it. So maybe I'll put them both together. Who knows? And this one, They're Hungry, Your Dinner. This is Feast, the unrated version, from executive producers Wes Craven, Matt Damon, Ben Affleck, and Chris Moore. Don't know Chris Moore, but I know the other three. I mean, well, not personally, but I know who they are. Feast. The unrated version, too. That's good. And last but not least, it's a double feature. Demonic and Uninvited. Now, I've heard of Demonic. It's a Tom Savini movie. I'm not sure if he wrote it or he just directed it or just stars in it or what, but I've never seen it, so I don't know. Let me get this. And then the other one's called Uninvited. Christopher Boyer, Beryl Buckner, Jack Elam. I know him. Well, not personally, but know who the actor is. But again, Uninvited was one that I've never seen. At least I think I know who that Jack Elam dude is. I'm not sure. I could be mistaking him for someone else. Total Terror double feature. This is pretty cool. I like the Demonic. It's pretty cool. But this is this month's November Blu-rays. And if you like me doing these videos, just give me a like. Subscribe if you hadn't already subscribed to me. I'll be doing more. Plus, I'm not just limiting myself to horror packs. I'm going to be doing more Blu-ray reviews and DVD review, movie reviews in general, and maybe some Pokemon TCG trading card game unboxings and showing off things. My Monopoly games, I haven't posted anything about them in a while. The last Monopolies that I unboxed showed on my channel a long time ago, and some of them I don't have anymore, but still, so yeah, so just stay tuned and you'll see a bunch of other crap from me. I'm sorry, I'm just not getting myself in the picture here, trying to get close enough so you can hear me. It's like I said, this Fire tablet is crap as far as picking up voice. I don't speak too loud anyway, so. But anyway, okay. Until next time.